because we know that this is gonna cut it off.
Masters.
Did you get power? I didn't see it. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
That's got to go on for 45 seconds, right? Before you start. You counting?
No. I got it.
As soon as we get to 45 seconds.
Still got it. Alright.
Okay, you can turn the fuel boost pump on.
Starter.
And then hit the starter. And you're gonna want to hold the starter with your other hand. Here, Josh, I'm gonna do that. And you're gonna keep that starter engaged until it lights off, and then hold it until it reaches 45%. Right? Where were we? On that one. So engage the starter first and wait for it to stabilize at about 20, which it should. And then go ahead and put the fuel to it. No, not that one, this one.
Alright.
No, that's the prop. The red one is the fuel. That's cut off. Alright? And then that is the throttle. We're going to give it just a little bit of throttle in this case. Okay. Okay, put the fuel to it. And watch it. Watch the temperature. Push it all the way forward.
Push it.
Hold the starter. Okay, you got it running. Temperature stabilized about 600, that's good. You've got oil pressure, that's good. That's the oil temperature, that's fuel flow. That's it. That's all there is to it, right? Did you get a shot of the engine running? Now when you shut it down, you're going to want to be ready to engage the starter in case it overtemps. Okay? But in any case, to shut it down, all you have to do is pull the lever all the way back, and it'll cut down. Guard the starter. Pull it back. Just pull it back. Well, you can go ahead and turn the fuel boost pump off. I'll leave the master on, because if you have to engage the starter, if the temperature starts to suddenly climb, that means there's fuel in there, and it's ignited again, and it's not spinning, okay? When it stops spinning now, the temperature should rise again.
It's time to drop a little bit.
There it goes.
See it creeping up?
Mm-hmm.
And if you'll remember, Lyle will always, when Rod shuts down, he'll always go out there and spin that. That brings that turbine temperature down.
Just makes it easier on everything.
Which is good that it doesn't sit there and you know, and stay hot.
Do you want me to run the starter on it again?
Let's just see what happens if you leave it sit. Because that's not excessively high temperature compared to how hot it gets when it runs.
No.
That's centigrade. Okay, that's 250 degrees Celsius or centigrade. You can leave that on if you want to. Yeah, because if we know that the boost pump and the idle cutoff are cutting off fuel.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we have zero fuel pressure, we have zero oil pressure, We can still see the temperature, oil temperature is still, but it's not excessively high. It doesn't actually have a high oil temp on there, does it? Set, or is that red? That one? No, it's not.
Looks like the temperature's about stabilized for about 280 centigrade.
It looks like it.